From here onwards, teams of 2 Special Forces battalions were on their own. All of it depended on their skill, daring ingenuity, and above all, the determination to succeed. There was no looking back. The operation, called Operation X in conversation, but not officially named as such, was being monitored at Army headquarters in Delhi, Northern Command headquarters in Udhampur, Nagrota and Srinagar, the headquarters of 16 and 15 Corps respectively. The infiltration had begun.
If you get detected or compromised before even reaching the target, not only the whole mission fails, and since it's a very small force, it does not have a staying power. It does not have a strength to actually take on a larger army in a kind of a conventional kind of an engagement. The casualties may rise, and hence to achieve the surprise, to reach the target area undetected, as we have discussed before, stealth is of paramount importance.
On the night of September 28, 2016, Indian Special Forces teams began crossing the line of control under the cover of darkness. They used advanced night vision equipment, GPS systems, and detailed maps to navigate the challenging terrain. The infiltration was done through difficult mountainous terrain. The commandos traveled to the crossing points on the line of control on foot in own territory over a long distance to avoid detection. The teams avoided Pakistani patrols and surveillance systems by taking advantage of natural cover and using stealth tactics. Their infiltration routes were planned to ensure that they entered POK without raising any alarms. The Special Forces were assigned to target camps south and west of Pir Panjal ranges. These highly skilled and specialized teams were across the line of control around the midnight. In 4 hours, they were in the proximity of the objectives. Having bypassed some of the outposts close to the line of control on the Pakistani side, the teams were now truly behind the enemy lines.